In this video, I will show you how to add text over an image on hover in WordPress Elementor. Want to create stylish image effects where text appears when someone hovers over an image? Here's how to do it step by step in Elementor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Open the page where you want to add the effect and click Edit with Elementor. Now in the Elementor editor, search for the image box widget in the left panel. Drag and drop it onto your page. This widget is perfect for creating image hover text effects. Next, click on the image box widget. In the content section, upload your image. Then add a title and description. This is the text that will appear over the image when someone hovers on it. After that, go to the Style tab. Here you can adjust the image size, alignment, and spacing to make it look clean and professional. Now switch to the hover settings. In many Elementor layouts, the text is automatically set to appear on hover. If not, go to the content settings and look for hover effect options or overlay settings. Enable the hover overlay so the text becomes visible when the mouse is placed on the image. You can also customize the animation, background overlay color, and text positioning to make the effect more attractive. Try different styles like fade, slide, or zoom depending on your design. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Update to save your changes. Now preview your page. When you hover over the image, the text will smoothly appear on top of it. That's how you add text over an image on hover in WordPress Elementor. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.